This is a tutorial on how do you connect your BigCommerce store with POPCUSTOMS in second. First, please make sure that you have an account on both POPCUSTOMS and BigCommerce. If not, please go to sign up your POPCUSTOMS and BigCommerce. On POPCUSTOMS, you can sign up manually with an email or sign up with your Facebook or Google account. Then we log in. Click the stores in the left column to find the BigCommerce Connect button. You can view the tutorial before you get started. Click the Connect button and you will be taken to our BigCommerce app download page. Click Get this app. You will be asked to log into your BigCommerce store or create an account. Since I already have a BigCommerce account, I'll click Log in to continue. Click Install to install the app successfully. After that, click Confirm button to go ahead. Then you can click the Continue button or Sign in to move forward. Click Connect Store button to process to the next step. Done. You have connected your store to your POPCUSTOMS account successfully. Now let's go to check and confirm the store settings first. You can change the currency to AUD or others. When you sync products to your store, the price will be converted from USD to the currency you set. And you can set the estimate profit rate you want. It'll apply to all products you synced. Please don't forget to click Confirm after you complete all settings. That's it. Go to Pick Products and Design now.